Hi everybody. Today we are going to make something with the Play-Doh. It's going to be a face, so we're going to get our Play-Doh and do that. So we're going to need some Play-Doh. It can be any color. I have yellow. And I'm going to need to take a half of it, like the smallest half. So this is my smallest half. The smallest half. Make sure it's squishy enough to work for this. Squish it, and now you can roll it into a ball like this. You just put it like this, and you squish it down, and you roll your hands like this. It only works when your ball is looking like this, kind of like this or something. See, you put the ball here and you roll. See, you move your hand like this. Like this. You can do it a bit faster. Make it finish faster. So far it's like this. You can make it neat if you want. We're making just a simple kind. Simple. Really simple. Okay, you might not have that neat ball. It's okay. Here, I made it look like this. Oh, it's kind of bouncy, kind of. Not so bouncy. Anyway, we need the next piece, the half piece you ripped off. Well, you're gonna have to break this part into some tiny piece. This is going to be for your eyes, nose, and mouth. So here we have our big ball, right? Let me put that down right over here. You can take a small piece of this Play-Doh, and then you slowly roll it like this. If you think it's too big, you could slowly break it apart. Here, let me show you how to roll it. See, you take it like this. See, like this, and you move it around. Okay. Well, I have a tiny piece of a tiny ball here. That's gonna be for the eye for this. You stick the eye right over here. See, you have one eye. You can do this. I'm gonna do it this way. Actually, it looks nice. Let me get the other one. And we put this one here, like this. That's my eyes. We need to make a nose and a mouth. So the nose is the same way as the eyes. So. There's some hair over here. And then the mouth, you just need to roll it like this. Put it flat on your hand, and you roll it like this, with your palm or on the top of your hand like this. Okay, if you think it's long, just break a piece off. I broke a piece off, and well, you first need to shape it curvy or something like this. And then you put it right on here. Wow, look, it's smiling. Look, he looks so happy. Okay, now let's get ready for the hair. If you have any extra piece, such like I do, I broke a piece off of the mouth to make the mouth smaller. You can mix it up with your other half. Okay. Anyway, now we need to do the hair. Okay, so you can choose any hairstyle. Well, I'm going to choose a normal one. Well, first, you need maybe about this much of it to make the top of the hair. You need to flatten it out. Okay, it's so hard to do that. If you don't have a roller anywhere or something, you could squish it with your hand like this, or you could just flat it out like this. Just pushing it. Push. push. And it looks like this now. See, it's flat, it's nice, and it's good to work. Okay, I'm gonna slowly put the hair on the head on top like this. And behind it, you can actually squish it a little bit. Now you can use the other dough here, like I have here. Squishing it. Squish. Squish. So squishy, actually. You could add a braid, a ponytail, but since braids are hard, let's try a ponytail. So we do the same way as the mount. We roll it like this. Like this. I'm doing a big one. So I already have a big piece. Whoa. Anyway. Right over here, I stick it on. Stick. Like look behind. It's going to be like this. Stick. Okay, the face might be a little messed up. You can fix that. Look, we made a face, guys. Look. If you're a boy, if you want to have a boy, you can only put like the top of it on, and you don't need the ponytail. But it's nice. Look. The nose came a bit down, and a little bit of the mouth came a little down and pushed up a bit. Yeah, look. This is the final result of your head. If you want to learn more, you can watch my other videos. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. Well, you might think that was the end of the video, but if you want, we can actually make something else. I actually was thinking of something to make, so we are gonna make that. We are going to make, okay, one second, I'm going to, okay, there, can you see now? Whoopsies. A piece of it fell down. Okay, you need to squish it, and you need to get it like really squishy. Like really, really squishy and soft. Squish. This is really squishy. Squish. I'm trying my best to show you here. As far as I can, I'm showing it far. Squish. Okay, now, so this is how it's gonna look like. Sometimes it might look like this when you squish it. Well, you're gonna make your fingerprint like this. Okay, for example, I have a piece like this. For example, I have a piece like this. You're gonna make your imprint of your hand. You put it like this, and you squish it like this. See, you make your print. Look. You're gonna have to do that for all the sides. Like this. It's gonna look like long and like a snake. Oh, and I already gave it away. We're making a snake. You make it really long. If you have any extra pieces, you could take them off because we might need some extra Play-Doh for the last part of the snake. If you don't want the snake to be bumpy like this, you could actually put it on the ground if you have enough space. And you could roll. You could actually roll this and make it smooth. And the more you squish, the more longer it's gonna come. I'm making a medium-sized one. Let's see if there is any extra pieces. Look, it looks like normal. You might want to add you might want to take the extra pieces off. For example, you don't need that much Play-Doh over here. We could take it off. We could like squish and shape this part neatly. Here's my snake. Anyway, well, you know how snakes. Does anybody know how a snake's tongue looks like? I'll show you how it looks like, and I'll show you how to make it too. You need like a really small piece of Play-Doh, like this much. You slowly roll it like this. If you don't know, like this. Look. Okay, and then you squish it down. Here, it's an easy tongue. If it's too big, you could actually fold it. See? And you stick it to the face of your snake. I slowly stick it. The snake is wild. Okay. Anyway, if you have any extra Play-Doh left, you could leave that for later. I'm going to put it back in my box. Well, here is our nice snake. Our snake is awesome. And the snake loves to sleep. How do you make the snake sleep? Uh-oh, it fell down. I'll fix it later. Anyway, to make the snake sleep, you like curl it up like this. That's how snakes sleep. Anyway, I'll show you how to do that. So first, sometimes your snake might be curled like this. So you curl this part on top and squish a tiny bit. Okay, see? And now we have a snake in our house. Anyway, have a great time, guys. I hope you love learning how to do everything out of dough. If you want to learn more, you could actually watch some of my other videos. Bye. Have a great time.